Welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. We are continuing our 90s throwback foods. We're going to be making this time a recipe from my family. A recipe that my mom made up and that I named as a child. We call it chicken a la rice. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. Using some Campbell's cream of chicken and mushroom. Now, Campbell's had a bit of brilliant marketing several years ago. They came up with a few recipes that required you to buy their condensed soup in order to make that recipe. So if you've ever noticed, there's a lot of recipes that contain the cream of chicken or cream of mushroom. That's where that came from. Today we'll be using the cream of chicken and mushroom, but any of the cream of ones, whether it's broccoli, bacon, just plain chicken, any of those will work just fine, depending on your specific tastes. We're going to be starting out with some rice. White rice tends to work best in this particular recipe, and then being chicken olive rice. We're going to be adding in some pre-cooked chicken. You want this to be in some fairly large chunks. And then we're going to add some moisture in here, starting out with some sour cream. And then just as we said, we're going to be adding in our cream of chicken and mushrooms. We're going to give that a good solid stir after adding in a little bit of salt and pepper. Something about this doesn't look quite right. I'm going to have to call Mom. Only this time we're calling my mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Carrie. What's up, Buttercup?
I'm making cream of chicken. You know the one, chicken a la rice. Yeah, that one.
I think it's gonna be
It
delicious.
just doesn't look right. I have the cream of chicken and mushroom, the chicken, the sour cream, the rice.
Got the
I'm missing
parmesan
something.
cheese. Don't forget to
Parmesan
add it.
cheese. I always forget.
Let me know how it goes.
Thanks, Mama Roni.
Talk to you later.
I always forget the Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add in some grated, wrapped Parmesan cheese into that. And give it a good solid stir. Oh yeah, that's looking about right. We're going to be transferring this over into a standard casserole dish, a little bit different from our last recipe. Make sure you get it spread out nice and even. Then we're going to be topping it with some shredded cheddar cheese. And then here's the kicker. We need a little bit of texture in here. We need a little bit of crunch in there. So we're adding in those little fried Chow Main noodles. I don't think you get much more 90s meal than that. I'm going to pop this into the oven at 375 degrees to 350 degrees until the sides bubble up and the cheese is melted on top. So there you have it. Chicken a la rice. Something so nostalgic, a wonderful memory from my childhood. So if you had a good time today, be sure to throw up a like, maybe even consider subscribing, and in the meantime, don't eat yellow snow.